Welcome to Linux Prepper Podcast. According to AI, Linux Prepper Podcast focuses on using open source technology to enhance everyday life, featuring discussions on self-hosting, Linux, and related topics. It aims to empower listeners to take control of their technology and enjoy a DIY approach to tech. Yep, I am James. I am the host of a Linux Prepper Podcast. It's been going for a little over a year. This will be the beginning of Season 1. The first year-ish plus being Season 0 in binary. So, this will be Season 1, Episode 1. I hope you enjoy it. You're welcome to listen back through the archives if you're curious about the show, or just go from here. Please do enjoy the show about empowerment, open source technology, using FOSS all the time in daily life. We're going to keep things light, and we don't want to focus too much on being down on each other. We just want to support each other as a community. Anyone who's interested in free and open technology is welcome to be a part of this community, whether it's by listening to the show, engaging in the forum at discuss.james.network, or to take part in our chat on Matrix or Discord. There's links for all of that. You can also email me, podcast@livingcartoon.org or podcast@james.network, and there's anonymous forms you can send into feedback as well. Please do enjoy this whole new season of Linux Prepper Podcast. I have various experiments with co-hosts and things that I'm trying for the future. I hope you enjoy it. And also keep an eye out for my performances and merch coming through the Living Cartoon Company, Living Cartoon Broadcasting, which is what supports and produces Linux Prepper Podcast.